Welcome to the demonstration of our new online timesheet system. I'm going to demonstrate how to use our new online timesheets. I'll email you a link to this website as well as your username and password. The client ID here is going to be the same for everybody, and then as I mentioned, you'll get your user ID and your password sent to you. When you get that link, you'll click on it, enter in the information as well as your password. You may want to click Remember Me here, make sure that's filled in, and that'll save your client ID as well as your user ID, so that every time afterwards you go here, you'll only have to enter your password. Once you enter your password, you're going to log in, and you're going to come up with the new online timesheet system. Right here on the left-hand side is the timesheet link. You're going to click on Timesheets. You have two different ways to enter time, whether you do that daily or weekly. Up here at the top, it shows you the last day of the week that you're going to be entering time. It'll always default to the current week, but if you want to enter in time for a previous week or the week following, you'll simply click on the last day of that week. Once you choose that week, you're going to come in here and fill in your time. So by default, it's going to fill in the group that you're set up in as well as your name. When you fill in your time, you're going to choose the class, which is basically your title. So for Mike here, as an example, he is our lead MEP estimator. The description field is optional. You're welcome to put something in there if you would like. You do not have to. Now I'm going to demonstrate right now how to enter in time for a project. So we're going to say that for today, Mike has regular time, which is the default for today, and you can always change the date to a previous day or the current day. Once you select the date, then you're going to choose the job. The job can be selected by number or by name. So for instance, I'm going to choose by number and just start typing that in. This is a Cleveland State project. Now, as I said, you can do it by name as well, so instead of typing in the numbers I did, if I start typing in New Science, you'll see that that pops up. Once you select the job, it'll populate what the phase is. In this particular job, there's only one phase, so I'm going to choose that phase. And then the category, which again is the title. So Mike is the lead MEP estimator. So for today, we're going to say that Mike worked all day on this job. And then you click Save Daily. Once you click Save Daily, you'll get this notification that it was successfully updated. And then if you scroll to the bottom, you'll further see that the time has been entered. You can scroll at the bottom to the right, and it'll show you all of that information that we previously entered. To demonstrate the weekly, what you do is you click on the weekly. Again, you can change the week ending. Of course, Sunday, June 1st is the last day of the week, so at the bottom here, the last day is Sunday, June 1st. And then the previous days will be earlier that week. So again, sticking with the same sort of concept here, we're going to choose the class. You can fill in a description if you would like. And again, we're going to type in that job number, as well as the phase and the category. Now, if, for instance, Mike worked multiple days on this job, this would be a good way to enter in that time rather than doing that daily. So we'll say that Mike worked Tuesday a couple hours, Wednesday a couple more hours, and then today he worked another extra hour here. Then you click Save Weekly. You'll get that notification that it's successful. And then if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see his time here with what I just entered. And it'll show you by day all of the time that was entered. Once you're done, you simply log out up here in the upper right hand corner. And that is it.